Don't want chips in there. Alright, well I think we're gonna need some tunes. Oh, I forgot what I was doing again. Oh, tunes. Whilst Buddy Shred taught me that one. I was like, that ain't a word. He's all, F you. Just set that up. I need a little bit of that. So you can position them pretty much anywhere you need it real quick. Now, am I going to be able to just... What the hell is going on? Okay, so that don't work. Up pretty square, which happens to line up with 0, and I'll take that every time. Let's just make sure. Yeah, that's not good. So we'll just go with that. It's got a little wobble. I gotta fix that. Oh, Zach's here. What's up, man? I'm making the knife be more like making helps me learn how to make get better at making. I don't know what's going to come of that. You know, that could be a snowball that just melts. You know what I mean? Doesn't start rolling at all. It's just. I got this thing where I got to get things like when things are explained to me or something, it's got to like make sense. Like Blake would say, it's got to be specific for me to understand it. You know. You need something else to drink, something to eat. Yeah, you want some chips? You got a while, or what's up? What's up, everybody? See that QR code? Use it. It'll take you to the site. Check out Next Trade. Follow the QR code. Oh, you. Oh, what do we got going on here? We'll take a look. Nice Jeep move getting out. Looks like I gotta mow the lawn today. Spray the weeds. Take care of the garden a little bit over here. Making some coffee. I cut those peppers down, keep the peanuts under control. Lawn spray, all kinds of heaps of put it off all weekend. Oh man, I got this crappy creamer. 2 years expired. Didn't make me sick, so I'm gonna eat it again. But it doesn't mix up very well. Hopefully we'll get to go work on the mill again and work done on the knife. Got the motorcycle to work on. Pull the plugs and air cleaner. Looks like she rained last night. And mowing sucks when it's wet, because it just clogs the up.
Oh, that coffee is crazy.
We'll see if I get sick. That's for Blake right there. He loves that. Right, Blake? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was cool. Had a couple visitors in the same day. That's always a good day. So, you guys keep it up and come over more often. We'll with check out what we have here. We got some peanuts. Ta-da. Only problem is I think any of these that you leave behind will grow again. So you might have peanuts here. Might have peanuts here forever, and this could be a bad thing. Oh, look over here. See, we got broccoli. Broccoli going on. Just like that right there. All right. So folks, we got that done. Now, hopefully we can do something more fun.